Hey guys. Okay, before we start this video, I'm gonna say I know my face is looking rough. Okay, this makeup has been on for, I put it on about 9 this morning. It's about 6 now, so what's that, like 9 hours? Is it? It's looking a little rough. I've obviously taken my eyelashes off. I've been rubbing my eyes and stuff, but I don't care because I'm so excited for what just arrived. My mum bought this parcel home. I spent $500 on COLOURPOP, okay? And I know there might be people out there who are going to add all the prices up and they're going to be like, no, it wasn't $500, it was only $390, but that's USD pricing. So when it converted to Australian pricing, let's see how much I paid for this. I paid $576. So this is a $500 COLOURPOP haul. Let's get into it. I'm so excited! Came in this huge box. So yeah, let's just, first I got heaps of false lashes. I really like the COLOURPOP lashes. They're really good quality and super cheap, but I got these ones for a giveaway. So I got 5 pairs. The first pair I got are called Minx and they look like this. Then I got some called Honey, like that. Then we got Shorty. I already have this pair. I just really love the box. Like, I think the whole thing's so cute. We got Dame. They look really pretty. And then last but not least, we have Chica. Oh, they're very pretty too. So yeah, I got all of those lashes. All of those will be going into a giveaway. I cannot wait. Alright. I'm just gonna like, this box is big. This is a big box. Like, actually I feel like I need to take my thumbnail before so that, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, hopefully that thumbnail is okay. Right, anyway. This is the COLOURPOP. I'm pretty sure this is the All That Glitters palette. I am so excited for this because I love the COLOURPOP glitters. They are my favorite. They are so good. So this is the outside of the box here. It's so beautiful. And when you open it up, oh my god. Look at it. Like, it is absolutely stunning. They're not technically eye safe, but I love them so much. I'm so excited. And they've got like all the little names on the back. I love this. This is going to come in handy like all the time. So excited for that. Okay, what's next? What is this? Oh, cool. Okay, I got 2 of these. I got one for me and one for a giveaway, and these are the Cloud Dye, I think, palette vault. So it comes like this in this little box, and then you slide it out, and oh, cute! They're like, that is so cute. So yeah, I've got one for me and one for a giveaway, so I'm just gonna open the one that's for me. So this comes with 3 different palettes. So the first one we have is called In a Trance. Ooh, that's so pretty. So this one's like blue and purple. Stunning. Then we have one called Miss Bliss, which is like a, I'm guessing like orangey. Can't get her out. Oh god. Right. What is this? Yep, this is like orange and pink. So beautiful. And then the last one we have is like a greeny one, and it's called Aura and Out. I'm guessing it's like over and out, you know. Oh, this one's probably my favorite. It's like yellow and green. Look at it. Stunning! So beautiful. So that is the little cloud dye set. So yeah, one of these will be in a giveaway, like one of the sets. And then this one is for me. So cute, the little packaging it comes in as well. I love that. Next I got the, oh, okay. I got the Strawberry Shake palette. This one is going in a giveaway. Let's open her up and have a look. I'm just having the time of my life right now, honestly. This is such a cute packaging, like just a little baby pink. It reminds me of like the 50s or something. That's actually a really pretty palette. It's very nice, like kind of like deep pinks. It's beautiful. It doesn't smell. I don't know why, but I thought maybe it'd smell like strawberries. It doesn't. And then next I got the Going Coconuts palette. I actually got this one for myself. So that's how it looks there. It's just like a nice, like really cute little, it's very like cool tone, very cool tone, like neutrals. Oh, it's so stunning. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to film like 1,000 videos because I bought so many eyeshadow palettes. Anyway, next I got 2 more palettes. This is the Baby Got Peach palette, and I got this one for a giveaway as well. Oh, this is beautiful. That's so pretty. I love that. I'm so excited. I think you guys are really gonna love this giveaway. Like these giveaways, I think you're gonna be very, very excited. So that one's the Baby Got Peach palette. And then I did get this one for a giveaway as well. This is the Good as Gold palette. This is one of their like bigger palettes. Oh, this is stunning actually. That's a really, really pretty palette. It's like very like gold tones, deep neutrals. I really like that. That's stunning. Beautiful. Oh my god, I didn't even light a candle. I feel like it's too late now. Okay, what else did I get? This is the COLOURPOP Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. I've heard really, really good things about this. It says it's dermatologist. Oh my god, dermatologist. I don't know what else so hard to say. Tested, oil-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and it's vegan. And I got mine in the shade Light 6W. That's how it looks there. I've heard really, really good things. I don't know if it'll be too dark, but anyway, we'll see. I'm so excited. So I'm definitely going to do a video trying that one out. Then I got the COLOURPOP Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Foundation. This is their new one, and I got this one in Fair W25. Why did I do that? Why did I get such different shades? I don't know, but anyway, that's how that one looks. So I'm excited to try that. And then I saw the concealer somewhere. Here it is. This is the Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair 10N. I love the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer, so I'm so excited to try this one. So yeah, I'm definitely going to do a video trying those out. I'm so excited. Okay, what else did I get? I got the Making Mauves palette for myself. I'm so excited for this. This looks absolutely stunning. Oh, this one's cardboard, yes, rather than plastic. That's so good. This is how it looks here. It's such a beautiful palette, like obviously very neutral, very mauvey tones. I'm so excited for that. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I do not have enough eyes for all of these eyeshadow palettes, but anyway. Then I got, it was called like the oh, what was it called? It was called, the Pastel set or something, which comes with the Baby Got Peach, which I've already showed you guys, and then it also comes with the Lilac You A Lot and Mint To Be palette, so I'll show you these two. I really want this mint one. In fact, I've just ordered it for myself. So pretty. So beautiful. You guys know that green is like my favourite colour. And I love green eyeshadow. And then we also got the Lilac You A Lot, which looks like that. This one's really, really pretty too. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay. I got the Blush Crush and the Nude Mood palette, and I got doubles of each. So I got one for myself and one for the giveaway. So first one is Nude Mood, and this one's cardboard again, which is so good. Oh, this is stunning. This is like beautiful, like your classic, like just nude tone palette. It's beautiful. The coconut one is a lot more cool tone. This one's like kind of just your average, more a bit warm tone, you know. So that's stunning. I'm so excited for that. And then We also have the Blush Crush, which once again, cardboard. And can we just appreciate how stunning this packaging is? Like, woo! What a beautiful palette. I'm so excited. I want to film like right now, but I don't think I could be bothered taking my makeup. I'm starting to get a headache and I don't know why. It's so annoying. I hate it. But anyway, so got those eyeshadow palettes as well. And I'm still deciding what to do with this. I don't know. This is the ColourPop brush set. I can't tell if I should put it in a giveaway or if I should keep it for myself. It comes in like the little tube thing. Oh, I thought it had so many more brushes. I'm so confused. I really thought it had like heaps. Oh, but anyway, it comes with 6 brushes, so you get like this big like a blendery like powder brush, and then you get like a, I'd use that as like a cut crease brush, a blender brush, a little pencil brush, eyeliner or brow brush, and then like a kind of contour-y brush. I don't know, guys. Do I keep it? No, I feel like I should give it away. I feel like I have enough brushes, I just don't clean them. So I feel like I might put that one in the giveaway as well. And then the last things that I got were their liners. I just want to check that I got everything. I'm like 90% sure I did, but I'm just like making sure. I'm like, I don't think I'm missing anything, but you can never be too sure, you know? Okay, no, I'm good. Alright, so I got 4 of their liquid liners, so hopefully I like them. I never bought any of their like liquid liners because I used to just use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipsticks as liquid liners, but now obviously I don't have them anymore, so I'm branching out. So the first one I got is called Crazy, and it's like a blue shade. I'll swatch all of them for you. They're so cute. They're all felt. Ooh, it looks very close to black. But it's obviously blue, like you can see the blue tinge, but it does look very close to black. This one is called Try Me, and it's a red. That one looks quite streaky, like not really opaque. But I mean, we'll try it out, see how it goes. It might just be like one that you know you need to fill up a bit. I mean, not fill up, you know what I'm saying. Then I just got the black one, and this is they have brought it out now in a like a, not a felt tip, what's the other one, a brush tip. So I got the brush tip one because the brush tip applicator is my favorite. Oh wait, oh yeah, beautiful. That's the black there. I feel like the blue looks darker than the black, but anyway. And then the last one I got is a white one, and it's in the shade Graceland. I tried out their cream color in their white, and it was awful, so I'm hoping like this one's better. Oh, you know what, that actually looks pretty good. So there's all the shades there. I'm excited. I'll try those out in a video, let you guys know how they go. But I am so excited. Oh my god, I have so much new makeup to play with. Can't wait. And I have 6 more ColourPop orders on the way. 6. In the last like month, I've made a total of 8 ColourPop orders. I don't even want to know how much money I spent on ColourPop in the last month, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!